Good evening everyone, this is by-DEGALA-BALAJI. Welcome back to my channel DB Stock. Let us discuss what is going to happen in tomorrow's market about the Nifty 50 and also the Sensex. Firstly, let us start with the pre-analysis that what I have discussed yesterday. If market gives the breakout of this 26,000 round level means I have expected the target with 26,100 will be the first target I have expected, or else if market gives the breakdown of this 25,925 means I have expected the target of this gap filling area will be the target I have expected, and also this closing candle is the support I have expected. As I have expected, market given the within the first 15 minutes candle itself, the next second candle given the breakdown. First 15 minutes candle becomes appears to be a green color candle. The second candle gives a breakout. But this is not the perfect breakout. Why? Because in 5 minutes itself, market given the signal in the form of shooting star, and also the moving average given the signal. If moving average given the signal and also 5 minutes, in 5 minutes shooting star appear in the 5 minutes. So when these type of scenarios are appears in the market means I don't want to go aggressive buying. I have to wait and watch, and after slow and steadily market reaches the market breaks the downside 25,925 level and came down, and that means it fills the gap and slow and steadily market consolidate at the bottom. Now what is going to happen in tomorrow's market? Now today market closed at somewhere around is 936 or 936. 25,936 somewhere around, it closed at the 25,936. If this W pattern wick is given breakout means we can expect the target of 26,000. This is day slow will be the we can expect the first target, we can expect it. Or if market sustain below this 25,870 or 880 level means, that means if any candle sustain below this 25,880 or 875 level means we don't need to see any aggressive buying momentum in the market, and after the breakout of this range, breakout of this day slow, we can expect the target of 25,750 or 725 we can expect the target. Why? Because there is a trend line at the bottom. If this line is given breakdown towards downside means already this has been tested multiple times. So if again market came for retest of this level means we don't need to take any entry towards upside. Why? Because market is this market closed at the wick level. If tomorrow market opens flat or gap down opening within the first 5 minutes candle and 15 minutes candle itself, it given the breakout towards upside means we can expect the buying momentum in the market. Until and unless the breakout of this wick level, this is the W pattern wick level. So until and unless of this W pattern wick level, we don't need to see any aggressive momentum towards buying in the market. So we have to wait and watch. If market sustain below this 25,850 or 870 for 880 means we don't need to see any buying momentum. We have to be on sell side. After the breakout of this trend line, we can expect the downside. We can expect the momentum towards downside. Let us see this in Sensex. Sensex is also the same scenario. Sensex is also the same scenario. There is a trend line at the bottom. This trend line also has been tested multiple times. So there is a W pattern also formed in the Sensex. Now what is going to happen in tomorrow's market means market closed at somewhere around 84,626 or 636. If market gives a break till the market gives a breakout of this range, you don't need to go for any aggressive move toward downside. With the target of first target will be the we can expect 85,000 round level will be the first target we can expect. Why? Because this is the round, this is the round level, and also this is the resistance level, and from here we can expect some fall, or already this resistance has been tested multiple times. So after reaching this resistance, we don't need to see any aggressive selling towards downside, and after slow and steadily again we can expect the breakout towards downside. Maybe this can be happen tomorrow or Thursday. Why? Because Thursday is the monthly expiry. If market consolidated within this range and slow and steadily, if market waited to tomorrow, if market waited at this time means Thursday we can expect the breakout towards upside. And there is another scenario. Till the breakout and breakdown of this range also, we don't need to expect the aggressive buying or aggressive selling in the market. We can't expect any aggressive selling or buying in the market. If market opens gap down opening, and after that if slow and steadily if market consolidated within this range means tomorrow, that means Thursday on monthly expiry, we can expect the good momentum whether upside or towards downside, depends upon the closing of the tomorrow's market. And thank you, and this is my view.